Okay, I'm just up here doing a roof inspection, and this roof here has got all of this foil on the ceiling. Hang on, let me crawl through here. That's a downlight there underneath all of that, which isn't being shrouded particularly well because this is just a normal isolation paper that they've used and not attached to any card. Let me just crawl through into here. The cellulose fibre is a good insulation product, but then must have been during the granta that they've had all of this foil stuff stapled up to the roof, and it all just kind of comes down and makes a big mess. So you can see up there all of it's just fallen down, so it doesn't do anything for roof leaks and it doesn't do anything for insulation. So I'll recommend that the customer gets all that pulled out, and but the insulation itself, there's enough in here, but as you can see, here's another downlight underneath all of that that's just kind of covered over. That's not the way it should be, because that should be an open space around it. And see that little white dot over there? That's some sunlight coming through the roof, so that's normally a good indicator that there's a roof leak there somewhere. So I can have a look around for that in a minute for probably just a broken tile. Anyway, I'll keep doing my inspection and make my recommendations and help out.